All right. Let's see. Let me check out this branch. The type fusion, fusing the types into. Check out. There we go. Pull. All right. So there's a couple changes there. First thing I'll do is, I guess a git merge main. There's no test. I had a chance to talk to him. Let me see if he's around. I would like a test, even if the test fails. Hey, still around? Looking at your PR now, and got a few questions. All right. Yes, didn't submit the issue yet. Sure. Oh, okay, cool. He's available. All right. I'll share my screen, and then we'll play with it. Hey, Gamal, how's it going? Good.
Just a minute, to connect my headphones.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, take your time. Yeah, I'm just looking at the PR. Essentially, I kind of just want to, yeah, like how do you run, like, how do you run like a little test?
Okay,
Like, do you just do jack run or jack check, or what is the,
to run this,
yeah,
yeah, I usually do jack check
okay.
or jack.
On what file typically?
I guess there is one called the funk the game.
Wait, let me see something. Let me just source on funk, yeah, funk.jack, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Clean jack. Okay. Oh wow, like somehow like
Maybe this was the issue I was facing. Maybe I changed it like a class name
cannot
and
import.
submitted.
Yeah, like basically it doesn't, like nothing's running on this branch currently. Basically Jack doesn't run.
Yeah. Okay. Can you go to schedule in the schedule
Yeah,
yeah. Yeah.
schedule
Okay. So I changed the
this
class
one.
name to be fuse type info instead of fuse type info pass.
Oh, I
I
see.
guess I forgot to add the pass.
Oh, okay. Oh, you took the pass out? Is there?
It's, I should add it again. I don't know why I removed it.
Oh, okay. Let's just do pass.
Maybe this happened while I was there was a conflict. So while I
I
was
see. Hmm.
resolving the conflict.
I see. And so then you do jack run funk. No. Nope. Where is funk? Is it in pass? Oh, jack check?
Jack.
Oh, yeah, jack check.
Funk.
Yeah. But there's no funk here. So I think I'm in the
And
wrong
there is
directory. Let's find
uh,
it. I think it's in the. It's here. Okay.
funk.
Yeah, I got it. CD.
Run it in like funk or circle.
Yeah. All right. Jack check funk.
Funk.
Okay.
So this will produce the normal output. So to get the debugging output, can you set env this variable?
Which variable?
I sent it to you
Oh,
in
okay.
Slack.
Oh, beautiful. Oh. You do it from an environment var? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. That's fine. All right. I see. That actually probably is good. The good practice.
So you see the output now.
Yep, I do see the output. And what was the thing that was
Yeah.
wrong?
So can yeah, to get the wrong output or the issue, can you do like jack tool IR?
Jack tool IR. Okay. So, but
Jack
this
tool IR AST.
but this is so let me just how do I interpret this real quick? So basically this is all the this is all the discovered types, right? Like the AST
Yeah, and
node and
there
then
are and there are some issues in there are some issues. So I need to like fix these issues. But the main issue for me, like, do you see the numbers being printed?
mhm
These numbers are the IDs of the nodes
mhm
that I add types to it. So
okay.
if you call like Jack IR, Jack
Mhm.
tool IR AST, and then the file name,
Oh yeah.
I can't remember if I submitted this or not. Can you go up a little bit? Mm, three, yeah. Can you see in the tree printer? Can you see these numbers?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
These numbers are the IDs of the file, the IDs of some nodes. Okay,
Yep.
so I expect that these IDs should be printed above. As I touch the nodes two times. One when I add the types to it, and the second time when I print it using the tree printer.
I so
You get
okay. And so okay, let's assume is there any copies going on? Wait. Let me see if there's copy. Copy v subnode tab pass. Copy Mypy. Because I the only okay that's state, but is it this is some other thing? Okay. What is this? Subnode table pass. Exit node after we execute it for I and kid if not I continue. Okay, whatever. For KV in subnode table, if KV. Yeah, I'm just looking at where the like copies can change the IDs. But why is this? Why is this a problem? Let's assume that at some tree printer pass. So when you do what is this ASD?
Yeah, so when I print the nodes using tree printer, it has the default value for type info. So the default value is none, okay? But I already populated this info inside the type fusion. So
Mm-hmm.
because I see none in the tree printer, I printed the ID of the nodes. Okay, so if I was like printing the same node that I added the types to it, the same ID should be printed twice.
Yeah, I know. I understand that. All right, so we can. All right, so I can try to look at that, but I'm actually trying to. Let's assume I find a reasonable reason why the IDs are different.
So
Like,
yeah,
what does that cause for you, like, as a problem? So basically, essentially, because you're setting the info, right? Let me see. So here you've got. No, where is it? Symbol info.
symbol. Yeah,
So you've got like this sim info. So you're assigning to sim info, right? Here.
yeah,
And you're basically the issue is when you after you sign this, it goes away or something?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think that's good. I can dig in. That's sufficient.
Okay. So what I will do after this, like I will print the AST with all the types populated from my code. So
Beautiful.
I need to know, yeah, I need to know which variables or which symbols that needs like types. that have types, but
Yeah.
types aren't annotated to them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And I
Now
think
we can focus
it's
on
all of these. I think it should be anything that inherits from symbol node.
yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
but
I
yeah.
know, but
Yeah.
I need to know what is the variable, okay,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
what is its MyPy nodes. Maybe
Mhm.
there
Yeah.
is like a
Mhm.
condition,
Mhm.
so some node have
Yep.
is linked to multiple MyPy nodes. So
Mhm.
I need to know what is
A hundred
this
percent.
node
Yep.
that have many MyPy nodes, and vice versa. Maybe you have like Jack nodes that have zero MyPy nodes linked to them. So I need to
Mhm.
know which nodes are these in Jack.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So I'm
So
gonna.
I need to know
Yeah.
like I also need to know like in when I call a function, there is in MyPy there was like something called overrided function or overrided callable, something
Mhm.
like this.
Mhm.
Okay. So I need to know why it is overrided. This shouldn't be overrided. This is
Yeah.
a normal function.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So I just need to get all the types populated and
Mhm.
see them inside the
Mhm.
tree printer.
Mhm.
This will help me to finalize
Yeah. Finalize
the tree.
this thing, this fusion pass, type fusion
If you
pass.
go to, can you go to the type fusion?
Sure. This is it, right?
Okay, yeah. If you go down a little bit, so can you see all these empty handlers?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh,
Mhm.
so all these handlers need to be like implemented.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you go down a little bit, these are get type. Yeah, so get type from instance, get type from callable type. I
Mm.
need to add this get type for other MyPy nodes.
Got it.
So what I was going to do is like to implement the handlers first. So
Mhm.
I need to know uh, uh, in each Jack node which MyPy node is associated to it, and using this MyPy node, I will implement the get type of this MyPy node type.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Okay. All right. I'll track it. I'll track it, and then that makes sense.
I
Yeah.
tried a little bit to like debug this issue, but I was like stuck a little bit. So
Right.
I was depending that you said that you will check it. So I just like
Sure. Yeah.
uh,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
wait.
You're waiting for that. Yeah. Sure. Um. Oh, I'm just thinking about what could be the issue, because this tree printer, when you run this is all from the same. So this has Jack Check in it in your implementation, the AST printer.
Yeah,
So you probably made a little change to use the type check schedule for AST printing, right?
yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
This changes was like local changes for me. I will
Sure. No. I know it's
they
good to
are
have it
not
in the PR.
meant to be submitted
Yeah.
or they are not meant to be merged in here.
Sure. Sure.
Those was just like some
Just
bugs.
exactly helpers to debug. Yeah, 100%, man. This is good. This is a. I mean, like honestly, this is a very nicely. This is a nicely progressing PR, dude. So I can't wait to get you unstuck here. Um,
Yeah.
that's a really interesting thing. Like I don't know exactly at what pass is the node's ASC's changing. So I'm gonna figure that out. Um,
Yeah. And I was thinking about something. Uh, 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 so, do you have like? I was thinking about using LLMs. This was like a point to research
mm.
in my master's. So, using
Oh,
LLMs to like generate test cases. These test cases are meant to test compilers. So, I
oh,
was
cool.
thinking about the LLM should have like the grammar rules of the language,
Sure.
the AST of the language,
Mm-hmm.
and I tell him that I want to test like some specific construct, so
Mm-hmm.
it will generate like many test cases that hit this construct in
Mm-hmm.
many ways.
Mm-hmm.
So do you think this is like something good or something to be uh,
I love it.
to research about it.
I love it. I'd love to get involved too. Learn more about it.
Yeah,
We can have a meeting about it, man.
yeah,
Um,
yeah. Okay.
yeah, I mean, if you're
So
interested in
they have
research,
like
we
some
should talk.
materials. They have like some materials to learn about LLMs. So my knowledge about machine learning and this stuff is just like Andrew's courses from
Mm-hmm.
Coursera.
Sure,
So
sure,
do
sure.
you like some more material to learn about this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could share stuff with you, man. I might have a seminar soon,
Okay.
actually. Um,
Yeah,
so yeah, okay, cool, cool. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's do it.
yeah.
You know,
Okay.
awesome. All right, man. I'll keep you posted.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Cool. Awesome. Keep it up, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Talk soon. Yeah. Later.
yeah. Bye bye.
Bye. All right. That was helpful. Okay. Cool. That cleared up everything basically. All right. That is a weird thing. So this is relatively easy to debug. What I'm gonna do is let's go to the pass, IR pass, and then we're gonna print on every enter node. We're gonna print. Let's print self dot class dot name. Let's print and then node ID. And then ID of node. And that'll tell us as we go through all of the passes, that'll tell us what we seek to know. Let's just say, I'll just call this proc. Proc. No. Colon like that. Okay, we'll just do that on every enter node. So we'll do that, and then we're gonna use like a super simple file. Let's see what we got here. So, nope, not that one. Let's see what else we have. Game. Do we have something with like one thing in it? No. And let's just create one. Touch blip.jack. So in blip.jack, I'll just have, hey, no, that's not legal. What's illegal? Oh, there's a blip. Blip. This is a legal jack program, so let's the world's simplest. Oh no, blip. Okay. Proc. So there's one, there's two. This is the same. Let me actually put the name of the node too, because then that'll tell us. It's like module string. So this is like module string, module string. So, but let's just get that to be pretty to see. So it'll be like proc. So it's that, and then let's also do node dot. Let's get some ChatGPT help. Let's get ChatGPT to autocomplete for me. No, I want node dot autocomplete class. Yes, that's right. Okay, so all right, now let's try that. Blip. Okay, module string. So 400. Well, let's look at string. String is really the interesting one to track. String. Oh. You just have to make sense right now. You just have to make, like, good job making sense. So then What's he printing? He's printing the ID of this one, and then these IDs are what? Let me see what he's printing. So it seems like the code's not on crack. We're not changing the tree, but he has an ID in here that he's printing. ID. Debug print ID node. He passes the node. Node siminfo equals that. Why would this node ID be different? Fuse type info. Pass. Is reasonable. That's weird. Weird. All right, let's do something that's included in his. Oh, he's doing it from get type instance node. He might be in his pass. He's doing something with node. He's like changing node somehow. Let me see. Is string here? Multi-string is here. What about string? Let's see if we can find just string. Multi-string, f-string, multi-string. He doesn't have string. Can I make blip a multi-string? Where's blip? No, it wouldn't resolve as a multi-string. It'll just be a... Alright, let's just go bigger. We'll go bigger. We gotta go bigger. With entry, that's 1. And then A equals 4. B, well, A equals 4. A equals 4. That'll be our blip. Blip it. Blip it. Blip it. Blip. 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 So, let us look at the procs. What are we procking? Okay, this is name. This is name. So 60. Wait, let me go down first and make sure it's name. Okay, that's the one he cares about. And then he prints it. Oh, he prints it as 60. So it's still 60. 60. It's 60 all the way through. 60. From the top one, it's still 60. 8160, and then all the way in the bottom, it's 8160. Weird. So what does he have here? So these are what? Abilities? Well, let's just do ability. See if this is can I go? That's a blip. Alright, Canapple. I'm having a Canapple here. There's an ability. Where is the ability? Oh, here we go. This is the ability 708. 7008. Ability 708. And then in the beginning, ability. So let me call him. Poor guy. I'm just interrupting him at work. He's got a day job. Then he's got his little side gig. The Jack side gig. All right. Come on, pick up. So why would his be different? Let me just run this on his crazy file. Oops, that he's having switch. Let's see. Let's run it on crazy file. This is crazy file. All right, let's see. So on crazy file, he's got ability 300 008. Hey,
Can you hear me?
Hey, yeah. How's it going?
Yeah.
Good. I just got some interesting new update.
Okay.
So I'm actually going to check this one real quick. Your ability here is 3008, and then
Okay.
the ability. Where's the ability? I don't even know where it is. You don't have any. Where would
You
that?
can use Control F like to search.
Yeah. Oh, there's just one. Interesting. So check this out. Check this out. I have. Let's run it on Blip. So Blip is this program, right? So it's this program,
Okay.
Can Apple. Very simple program. So it's an ability,
Okay.
and the ability is what? 3168? What? This just worked.
Maybe can you remove
No. Look. It's
in the
3168.
end?
See? Yeah. So,
In the end, remove the new line, the
yeah.
empty space. I
Yeah, the empty space, yeah. So, like, so on Blip, it's like the same all the way through. So from the first pass, which is a subnode table pass, and then it goes to an import pass, then another pass, and then all through all these passes, sim table, decal um, def use pass, pygen AST pass, jack type check pass. So this works on Blip. And then I tried it on Funk just now. And let me just do this again. So Funk, you have this ability. And there's 6. Oh, so it is here. So I don't know. I don't think it's it may not be not there. But the bigger issue that you've had was oops. So let me see if I can go. I'm going to try to spend some time on the bigger issue. The bigger issue is your sim table info disappears.
okay.
So basically what I want to do is not your sim table info. What am I talking about? Symbol info. Sim info or whatever it was called. So I just want to reproduce that. So if I go to whatever, if I go to sim info, I mean this one, US, the hell, whatever. Just ignore that. If I go to sim info, so these disappear, like these values disappear is essentially what you're saying, right? But this
Yeah.
only this is only assigned when you call this, and I don't. You're not calling it.
Can you hear?
Yeah. Oh, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah. So when I pass it to get type, so I send the node itself,
Yeah, you send the node itself, but where are you
and
calling?
get type is called. This one is called. Can you go up a little bit? There in the no in this file, it's called by its name. Like
Oh,
I will
like
do like filter for it.
attribute. Oh,
So
the
can you go up
attribute.
a little bit? Yeah. Yeah. Get call type handler,
Got it. Get type
and
from. Okay.
call
Okay.
type handler is called.
Let me see something. What did I do here? Oh, it just did some stuff. Okay, I'm gonna stash all this.
Can you give me a second?
Oh yeah, no worries, man. You could do your thing. Maybe, maybe you can. Maybe I could let you. Uh, basically, if I could reproduce it, I could work on it a little bit more. But yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Do your thing. I gotta drop. Um, okay.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically, it's like, at what point is it supposed to be there and it isn't there? The sim info.
Can you say it again?
Oh, so where were you having the original source issue where sim info wasn't?
Yeah, here in the 3 printer, can you go to 3 printer? In the 3 printer, I check if the node type is like sample. I don't recall sample
Okay.
something. Okay, if it is like this, I print its type from the sample
Oh, you print the sim
type.
info. Oh,
Not
okay.
sim info the type. Okay, and not dot sim info is being populated from uh, from the type fusion.
Okay. So let's shoot. I lost okay. Jack ASTR. Jack tool ARAST func.jack. Oh shit, I did a git stash. Let me just fix this thing real quick. And I'll probably commit this. Okay, that works. Let me just do a little quick commit. Okay. So here. Oh, the debug. Oh, export. So where you print the type. Oh, it has the type. Wait. In tree printer, if it's a symbol node, you print tree printer RB and then you return this. Let's print this too. Let's just print this.
You can print it like yeah. One minute.
Nuns. So you have nuns here,
Yeah.
and then when you assign it
But
here,
I'm sure that I'm adding them in the type fusion. If you go up a little bit, you
so
can find like
equals ASC. Yeah. I mean, this is the part of the code where you add it, right? Because you have symbol table info, my type.
yeah.
Wait, self.type. So wait, let me just check. So and you debug printed here. Oh, that's fucking wild. That's wild. I see what's going on. Like it's here, but then oh, maybe it's printing the tree before. When you run the tree printer. Wait. How are you running this? Where are you running the tree printer?
Yeah, the 3 printer is being added from the 3 printer class itself.
Yeah, or it's from the
Print type.
no, it's the AST, right? It's I mean the lang tools. So it's here that you're printing tree printer, right? So I'm doing AST, right? So it's ir.pp. So this is actually printing after you're typed. And you're typed does the fuse pass info. And you're assigning it on the node. Oh, so this is the issue. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm assuming you're actually at work, so I should probably let you go. Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. I mean, what I'll do next is. That's so crazy, because you're assigning it here, right?
Yeah.
Node.
It's also confusing for me. You don't want.
Let me print this here. Print really? And then I'll put node.siminfo.type. Because these would have types. Let me just do this too. What? Oh wait, now it's not. Now it's not. Oh man. Okay, I see why this is confusing. Let's see what the reallys look like. Yeah, really has the stuff, right? Really? Okay. And then this. Oh man, my other debug, now I want it back. So we have this ability. Oops. What the fuck just happened? Oh fuck. Somehow I lost it. Oh, that's. We got the reallys, and then we got the nuns. All right, I'm gonna look at this. This is gonna be interesting. I'll look at it, and I'll keep you posted.
Okay.
Awesome. All right, talk soon.
Yeah.
Yep, later.
Yeah,
Yep,
yeah. Bye-bye.
bye. All right, I gotta hit the restroom. I'll be back. Alright. Okay. Alright. Let's see what we got going on. Okay. Alright. Oh, yeah. This is a very interesting situation. So I'm going to put that print stuff back. Let's just put it back. Enter node. Do you remember? Like, can you remember? Self.class, yes. Node.class, and then ID node. Okay, now let's try you again. Nuns, disability. Okay, so that ability, that's what FuseImpo pass sees on the enter. And then there's this ability. It doesn't actually print it after that. Oof. So the fuse type info sees it on the enter. Let's see. Fuse type info sees it on the enter. And let's go to enter ability. node handler? Node. Node handler, this is a decorator on the function. Handle node, okay. If length node is func self.node. Huh. Before ID node, and then let's print after ID node. Let's do that. After. Yeah, okay, so those match. But this ability is never seen, but it is seen. Oh, here we go. It is seen. Oh, yeah. Ability. But these have nones. Okay, so let's print it here. Let's print it after. Node.siminfo.tip. Okay. No. Ooh. What? Why, that doesn't exist? On and after, it doesn't exist. Alright, let's just go. What? I just made that not an issue. If node, that's an imp. That's what? Okay. What's the error? Ugh. Let's do a run. Let's do a check. I need to see what this exception looks like. Check, func. Func call has no attribute siminfo? Func call. This is a different issue. But let's check it real quick. Phone call is an expression. Of course it's an expression. Expression is AST node. Okay. So that's an issue. But that's not relevant here. Let's say if not check. All right, so what we're checking here is we're going to find this ability. Okay, now we're going to go up. What? 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 All right. Cool. We're zeroing in. Funk. What is funk? Handle node funk. Self.node. Oh. He's not actually calling anything on the node. He has this call type handler, which is called where? Oh, only on names. Not on abilities. Does he have any names? He has no names here. Oh. I think it's his code. I think it's just, I think this is just a silly thing. Anyway. Because he's calling this type handler on phone calls, but phone calls has its own issue. But also on names, but nothing on abilities. So it should be none. These should all be none because he's not doing anything with it, just printing debug. And these are all on names, the ints and such. So he needs to print names. Oh. All right, I'll just see if I could call him and just tell him, and then we'll just wrap that up. Very simple. Then I think I'll stash this. Then he can just charge forward. Oh, Lord. Alright, well, maybe he's busy. He's busy. I'll just slack him and tell him. I'll just tell him. All right, good. I'm gonna stop there for a bit, take a break. I'll be back on. Laters.